Hey guys, this is Kayla with Becky's Graphic Design in Nashville, Tennessee. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Find Change function in InDesign to identify the beginning of a line or something in a line, and then everything following until the end of the paragraph. Why would I need to use this? We had a project with a bunch of photo captions, and each of those photo captions ended with courtesy of so-and-so. Courtesy of the Watch Hill Conservancy, courtesy of Greg so-and-so, courtesy of this or that or whoever. And it was decided partway through the project that each of those courtesy lines needed to be in a different style. I think we needed to make them italic. So there was a lot. There was about 300 something images in this book. I was not going to manually run through the whole entire book and make each and every one of those courtesy lines italic. I needed to find a way to identify them. So let me pull our Find Change over here. You can pull this up by using Control F. Now let me zoom in and show you all what I'm talking about. So this is the lines of code that we're using. This \B indicates the beginning of a identifier, which is the word here. Now this is what I'm going to change out for whatever content I'm searching for, in which case I'm looking for courtesy of. I'm also including the space character right here. I will want to also look for this character. Sometimes that can be important, sometimes it's not, but this space is optional, it does not have to be here. Now, this period and this plus mark indicate everything till the end of the paragraph. So what happens when I start running through and searching using these functions? When I click Find Next, we can see I have to be careful. If I intend to only select these lines, courtesy of the county, courtesy of blah, blah, blah. If I'm only looking to do these short lines, I have to make sure that there are no other instances of courtesy of in other paragraphs. I do not want to identify this line of text and make it italic. So really make sure you know what you're doing before you go in and do this, because you could accidentally apply character styles all over your book that you're not intending to do. In the case of my prior project, I was able to use a paragraph style of image caption that I had set up to only look at those paragraph styles and not the rest of the book. As you can see, as we run through and look at these, I'm able to identify the end of the line regardless of whether or not there is punctuation in it. Sometimes the search will find something with punctuation at the end and sometimes it won't. I'm going to go ahead and change the format of these to italic. This is my goal for this little mini project. I want to identify courtesy of. I'm going to change this one. I'm going to skip over that one. I don't want to change my big paragraph. I'm going to change this one, and one more. Change. Done. Now, because I was careful and double checked my other paragraphs before I did that, I decided to click one by one and apply each one separately instead of doing a change all. I was able to run a change all in my big prior project that I was talking about because I had assigned a paragraph style. Just be careful before you do this and change all throughout the whole book. Make sure you're not changing things you accidentally don't want to change. All right, everybody, I hope you found this helpful. If it was, leave a like, leave a comment, and go ahead and just randomly click on one of our other videos. That's how YouTube knows that we're important and we matter to you, even if you don't watch it. Just go ahead and click on something else over there. Thank you very much, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.